Where did he even come from? There he is. He's just asleep right now. How am I supposed to bloody... fuck off? How am I supposed to fuck off? Stay asleep. No, I didn't hit you. Bye. Ow. Bye. Oh, you as well. What an annoying land. Seagulls with dragon wings made of metals. Gosh, wasting all the ammo I just bought. Are you gonna sink? Ah, it turns me on slightly. No, it doesn't. Something's attacking me. Oh, great. Oh, look who I've woken up. Come here and get blown up. Oh, I'm dead. Or something got blown up. Quoting such a rubbish playthrough of mine. Piss off! I'm out of here. No, it's an alarm clock. No, I hate this land. I don't want to play anymore. I'm using the shop, leave me alone.
I got some great bargains for you today.
You got the same bargains, I've said that before, but I don't care, because I am extreme. Oh great, there's an arsehole. Mo! Good. Dip your toes in the warm goo. Stop waking everyone up, that's inconsiderate. Oh, look what you've done now. Why is it even melty goo? It should be sexy goo. Right, we're gonna very quietly shoot someone. Yay! It works. Now I can safely walk around this landscape. Oh, why did you have to... Hup. Oh, look at the skill. The unintentional skill. Hello there. Oi! Do I want to... No. I'm gonna blow him up. No, wrong gun. Great. They probably can't stand on this. Good. Oh, well, they're certainly lazy, aren't they? There we go. Killed them for the first time in history. It's never happened before. Oh! Some very helpful magnet boots right here. It really keeps me stuck on. Why has this happened? Fuck it, I'm going this way. Yeah, you heard me right. Fuck it. Go away! How am I supposed to deal with the... There's nothing here. Oh wait. Okay, you're fine. You've got a fine ass too. You probably don't, but I haven't seen it. I'm just gonna assume. What's gonna kill me in this room? Nothing? Oh hi. Wow. A safe room. Tasty. I don't know which way I want to go. Oh, it looks like this way is a one-way thingy. Hup. Yeah, great, good. Or what is it, great or good? Both. Piss off. Things with too much health. What did I come in here for? Money. I don't know what you get here either, but it better be bloody good at this rate. It better be worth all this anger. Stupid seagulls. Seagulls. Seagull in my pee hole. Run. Wait, what? Right near the top? What do you mean? I don't know what anyone's on about. Or rather, the only two people who are on about anything right now. Where would I be if I didn't have these thrusters? Thank you, camera. You almost made that disastrous. Yeah, you better be sorry. You're ruining my gaming experience. So is that arsehole. Oh great, a sleeping dude. Good job the glass breaking doesn't wake them up. Oh, that is. Get ready. No, it didn't. What I like about this game, though... Where is it? What do you mean? What do you mean what you like about it, though? You haven't been saying you don't like it. Oh. Well, somewhere there's like a list of achievement-y things, or maybe that wasn't in this one. Go away. Oh. Oh, bollocks. Quick, just open the door and get out of here. Oh no, it's happened. I just blew myself up because I... Oh. What's going on? No! Why is that? Oh, thank fudge. Oh shit, I didn't realise it was a pit. What?
Hi there, fuzzball.
This whole game's a pissy offy planet. Go away! Fuck! Fuck, fuck, fuck. I'm not going up there. Fuck, 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 everything. Alright, don't get reckless, because then you die. No, first person, don't look out the back of your head. I want to go watch something instead of playing this right now. I feel like watching some anime. It's just like my Japanese anime. That arsehole's coming back. Can you die? Yes, you... maybe. Die, passing cargo ship that didn't do anything wrong. Alright. Bum! Why did it go bum? Be very quiet. What have you done? You woke two up. Now they're back asleep. Oh, good. Wait, they wake up when I hit those, though. So they may yet awaken. Can I touch your butt? Oh, oh! Oh, don't fall off. What a rude awakening. Huh, must have been nothing. I'll just go back to sleep. Bravery in the face of danger. Oh, there's another one. Right. This time I know there's a pit there. Look at the... oh, they weren't lost forever. Oh god, look who woke up. Must have been the wind. Oh. No, go away! No, I'm on a safety ledge. Oh. What do I want to use? Alright.